At the base of Colorado's Grand Mesa sits a ranch built for working, living, and enjoying the Western lifestyle. With irrigated pasture, functional ranch improvements, and infrastructure already in place, this property is ready for cattle, horses, and year-round operation. The custom ranch home blends rustic Colorado character with modern comfort, offering space to gather, entertain, and take in the surrounding mountain views. Located near Collbran, Grand Mesa, and thousands of acres of public land, this ranch places year-round recreation right outside your gate. A working Colorado ranch with history behind it and opportunity ahead.